Hello everyone, my name is Ashutosh. Today is uh, 2nd December and today's my video topic is it is the synchronization in Java. First of all, understand what is meant by synchronization. Incorporate in concurrent programming, managing access and share the resources in a crucial to ensure data consistency and avoid unexpected behavior. Java provides built-in support for synchronization, which helps developers control to access the multiple thread and share resources. Now what is meant by synchronization? Synchronization in a Java is a mechanism that restricts access to share resource by multiple threads by prevent thread interface and maintain consistency. It ensures that only one thread can access critical section of time. Now we explain about the synchronization. In Java, synchronization can be achieved using a synchronized method or synchronized block. Synchronized method: when a method is declared as synchronized, the thread invoking this method must acquire a block an object monitor before executing the method. Once the method executed, the block is released. Synchronized block allow more control over a synchronization process by looking only a specific part of the code. Static synchronization: when a static method is synchronized, the block is applied to the class object, ensuring thread safety to static method. Now we discuss various advantages of the synchronization. Thread safety: ensure that share the resources are accessed safety by multiple threads, avoiding data inconsistency. Data consistency: prevent race conflict, ensure the correct executing a critical code of section. Reliable communication: ensure proper sequencing of thread execution, maintain portable program behavior. Now conclusion of talking. The synchronization in a Java is a fundamental concept of writing robust thread safe program. It helps developing avoid concurrency issues such as race condition and data inconsistency. However, excessive use of synchronization can lead the performance issue like thread constitution and reduce the throughout true, and synchronization should be used judiciously to achieve a balance between thread safety and performance. Performance issue the like thread continuation and reduce throughout the synchronization should be used to achieve a balance between thread safety and performance. This is all about the synchronization in Java. Synchronization used in a thread when one thread accesses a multiple block. That time synchronization will be used to access many thread to access the one method. That time by using the synchronization, the code will be more secure, and the process of the code will be more fast as compared to. This is all about the synchronization in Java. Now discuss about what is synchronization, definition, explain about synchronization. Now discuss various advantages and conclusion. This is all about today's video topic. Thank you.